Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2025 from powerful uprights to smart robot vacuums. Whether you're tackling pet hair, hardwood floors, or deep carpets, these top-rated models deliver outstanding cleaning performance. Watch till the end to see which vacuum tops our list and why it's the best choice for your home. Number 5. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum, new 2024 model, delivers a powerful and convenient cleaning experience designed for modern homes. Featuring triple-action brush roll technology, it effectively loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture and corners effortless, while the active extension wand helps you reach high or tight spaces with ease. Equipped with multi-cyclonic suction, this vacuum maintains consistent power for deep cleaning sessions without losing suction. The scatter-free technology ensures that dirt stays contained while cleaning hard floors, no more dust flying around. The HEPA and washable foam filters make maintenance simple and eco-friendly, while the easy empty dirt tank allows for quick, mess-free disposal. Users rave about its lightweight design, strong suction, and excellent value compared to more expensive brands. Many note that it rivals high-end models like Dyson in performance, but feels easier to handle. The CleanView Swivel is especially appreciated by pet owners for its ability to capture fur and dander efficiently. Every purchase also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets a meaningful touch that adds heart to powerful performance. Overall, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum is an affordable, efficient, and reliable choice for spotless homes. Number 4. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner in EN110A is a powerful yet lightweight cleaning companion designed for both carpets and hard floors. Featuring a 960-watt motor and multi-surface airflow control conveniently located on the handle, it delivers impressive suction for deep cleaning various surfaces from upholstery to hardwood floors. Weighing only 8.15 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs, aided by swivel steering and a telescoping metal wand for extended reach. Its 2.5L dust container and washable filters eliminate the hassle and cost of replacement bags, while the automatic cord rewind adds convenience for quick storage. The 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool and dusting brush make detailing easy and always within reach. User feedback highlights its excellent suction power, lightweight build, and affordable price. One user, a professional cleaner with 30 years of experience, praised it for its strong suction and compact design, though noted it's slightly louder than larger models. Another reviewer compared it favorably to their old Shark vacuum, appreciating the ease of use, washable components, and durability. Overall, the Eureka Whirlwind stands out as a budget-friendly, efficient, and easy-to-maintain vacuum cleaner that performs far beyond expectations for its price range. Number 3. The Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum is a versatile and high-performing cleaning tool designed for carpets, stairs, and bare floors. Its signature lift-away functionality lets you detach the canister to clean above-floor areas like furniture or stairs with ease. Powered by strong suction, it deep cleans carpets while its brush roll shutoff feature allows instant transition to delicate floor surfaces. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Despite its power, the vacuum weighs only 12.5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver, aided by swivel steering for smooth navigation around furniture. The included wide upholstery tool and 12-inch crevice tool add cleaning precision for tight spaces and pet hair. User feedback is overwhelmingly positive. One reviewer, a dog owner with 2 large labs, praised its exceptional suction, easy maintenance, and performance that surpasses even Dyson models. Another first-time buyer highlighted its quiet operation, long cord, and washable filters, calling it great value for money. Overall, The Shark NV352 Navigator combines power, portability, and allergen control in one durable, user-friendly package ideal for pet owners and anyone seeking spotless results with minimal effort. Number 2. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 Upright Vacuum is a premium cleaning powerhouse engineered for homes with pets and high-traffic areas. Delivering 290 watts of suction power, it provides exceptional deep cleaning performance on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Its motor bar cleaner head with detangling technology automatically removes hair from the brush bar, making it perfect for pet owners who struggle with fur buildup. Equipped with radial root cyclone technology, it maximizes suction and captures fine dust and allergens, while the advanced whole machine filtration ensures cleaner air is expelled back into your home. The ball technology design allows smooth steering around obstacles with a simple wrist movement. With 3 adjustable suction modes, users can tailor performance to match different surfaces and debris levels. User reviews consistently praise its strong suction and exceptional cleaning results. One user noted it picked up deep-set dust from mattress, calling Dyson a wonder. Another appreciated its unmatched power but suggested adding small O-rings to reduce resistance on thick carpets, an easy fix for easier pushing. Included with combination and stair tools, plus a 5-year warranty, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is an investment in durability and performance. It's a top-tier choice for pet owners seeking powerful, efficient, and hygienic cleaning across all floor types. Number 1. The Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team Bag Canister Vacuum delivers an exceptional cleaning experience with the reliability of German engineering. Designed for both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets, this vacuum offers 6 adjustable suction settings, allowing precise control for every surface type. Powered by a 1200-watt motor, 1.61 HP, it ensures powerful yet quiet performance, while the Miele Air Clean filtration system keeps indoor air fresh by trapping dust, dirt, and allergens. Users love how lightweight and portable the Classic C1 feels, weighing only 17 pounds, making it effortless to carry between rooms. The retractable cord and smooth swivel wheels enhance maneuverability, letting you easily clean around and under furniture. Accessories like the STB3053 TurboTay Q Floor Ed, SBB Parquet, 3 hard floor tool, crevice tool, upholstery nozzle, and dusting brush add versatility for any cleaning task from pet hair removal to delicate dusting. Customers praise its strong suction, compact design, and easy assembly. The Turbo brush glides smoothly over carpets, leaving rugs revitalized, while the Parquet tool handles hardwood floors with care. Though it's a bit pricey, users agree it's worth every cent for its durability, filtration quality, and performance. Overall, the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team is a premium, high-performance canister vacuum ideal for those who value power, precision, and cleanliness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Comment below which vacuum cleaner impressed you the most, or if you have a favorite we should test next. Stay tuned for more honest tech and home product reviews. Until next time, keep your home spotless and sparkling.